this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Etsy pattern for custom websites. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So using pattern by Etsy allows sellers to create a personalized standalone website that is automatically synced with their existing Etsy shop, inventory, shipping, and payment system. But you need to have a couple of requirements. So a active Etsy seller account, active listings, and Etsy payments direct checkout enabled. In order to go ahead and choose the themes, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your Safari or any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Etsy pattern. Just like that, and then simply go ahead and click on pattern by Etsy and click on get started. You need to go ahead and have a Etsy membership in order to do this, however, and when you go ahead and do that, that is exactly how you can select some themes to make your custom websites. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free